Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to fix your phone heating while charging on Samsung Galaxy A17. Let's begin! Now, in reality, it's completely normal for your phone to heat up while you charge it. Unless it's really hot, like you can barely touch it, then you probably want to make sure that you have your USB-C cable plugged in correctly. I have recently had a situation, though it wasn't with the phone, it was with a Meta 2 headset, the plug was put not correctly, and it would heat up and actually melt the plastic around it, so you probably want to be careful of that. Though, as far as I'm aware, it shouldn't be happening on your normal phone. However, if you are still worried that the phone is heating way too much, there's one thing you can do, and it's in the settings, inside your battery, after scrolling down all the way down, going into charging settings, and here you can simply disable your fast charging. Now, technically, this might help you. However, if you're still struggling, then there is a very high chance that this is not a software bug, instead it's a hardware bug, and then I would advise you to just go into some sort of phone store. Like, in terms of Samsung, you probably want to head into Samsung store and simply check your phone. Maybe you have still warranty on it, maybe the battery is odd, it's hard to tell. But if the heatness is moderate, and if you can just easily touch it without any issues, it's just a little bit hot, then you shouldn't worry about it at all. Anyway, that's all for the video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.